So we're rewriting my Neovim config, and instead of doing it the normal way, which is like just writing it like a regular human being, instead we made it impossibly difficult. Chat's going to be able to spend Teej coins, not a currency, by the way. It's part of a triangle system. They're going to send things like deleting my files, random stuff, changing color schemes. I don't know. It's just going to be crazy, okay? So they're going to do all that stuff, and then we're going to try and rewrite my config. No copy paste, nothing else, write by scratch, etc. There we go. That's what we're going to do. The end. Balkan, did you just... oh, that was a while ago. What's up, Jonas? Libra. What's up, everybody? Now that's coffee. Now that's coffee, chat. ZD, Dax made me do that. He made me promise every single day I would do one really annoying thing like that and drink coffee. What can I do? You know what I'm saying? I have to do it. Oh, I gotta turn on some music. I'm not as cool and hip as Dax, though. I'm not as cool and hip as he is. It's 100% for business reasons. Pascal as well, thank you. All right, we can start YouTube. Hello, YouTube. We're gonna try and rewrite some more Neovim config today. We'll see how this goes. Dax, you missed it. I was drinking this delicious coffee. Maybe you want to ask me where I got it from. Maybe Dax wants to know. Where's that coffee from? Brazil. Originally. But I purchased it from terminal.shop. Except I didn't purchase it. I just took it from your house and put several bags in my suitcase. But otherwise, it's kind of like how you guys can get some too. I'm white, chat. Going to sell us water? Oh, that would be great. Dax with the double raid. Dax, what's happening? How did you raid twice? I'm raiding you hard. The double raid. Let's sell water. Dax, I DM'd Prime an idea. But I'll just say it here anyways, because I think it would be pretty funny. We should find the absolute best quality socks one can find and sell them there. And that way we can we'll have to show our feet every day. But chat will laugh. You know it's good. Like coffee and socks. We're your one-stop shop for coffee and socks. You know what I'm saying? The Prime Pack, one sock. You got to get a 2 for 1. I'm just saying. It could work. We can also sell the long thigh high. The long thigh. You know coffee socks are a thing. I know you have some. I'm just saying. Having a nice pair of quality socks is great. I can't drink coffee, but you probably wear socks. Think about that. You know what I'm saying? Like, look at that comeback. Right? It's like someone comes at you with a, I don't drink coffee. You go, boom, but you probably wear socks. It's like, that's the upsell game that we can be playing. That's the upsell game we can be playing, Dax. Did Prime steal your socks too? People wear fish sandals. What would you make? What? Real? Hey, thanks for the sub. 7 months. No socks allowed in Miami. I wore socks. Teej, what about the terminal sock? The sock! Think about sockets. Did Dax watch you shower too? Yes, he just didn't feel as comfortable talking about it. Sock! What was I gonna say? Terminal.socks. Dax, I think we're gonna turn on everybody can buy stuff like next week, right? Is that right? We're just waiting for a few more packaging materials. Oh, I thought we were waiting for packaging materials. We're pushing bad code. They won't take I was watching Teej stream for an answer. They know that that can't be true because you would have pushed good code then, Saeed. What's the company about? We're selling terminal. We're selling coffee from the terminal. Probably won't ship till next week. For example, chat here. Right, just like this. I just revealed that it's possible to get in. And this part's live, but Adam is styling. Adam is styling the website. We're just waiting for him. He's stuck in Figma or something. I'm not sure. It's a good password. It's a very good password. Hello, YouTube, by the way. No one said hello to me yet in YouTube chat. I'm waiting. How are you going get coffee if can't use terminal? You can't. How do y'all handle malicious users? In what way? Adam's trying to rewrite CSS for the terminal. Buying coffee for malicious purposes. It's sort of like, we'll just allow people to buy coffee. We don't want to ask what they're doing it for. Oh, nice. Hi, YouTube chat. Hold on. I'll open YouTube and say hi. Yes. Like, in what way do you mean malicious? Will you allow people to angrily buy coffee? Yes. I don't discriminate against people angrily pressing the enter button and typing in their credit card information. Will we need to do the Vim tutorial? We should make Vim tutor be a prerequisite. Hey Jonathan, thanks for the sub as well. What's the plan for chargebacks? The same thing that you always have to do for chargebacks is you have to pay them back, basically. I don't know. Like, what am I supposed to say? We solved chargebacks. We solved it. It's fixed. I don't know what the answer is you're looking for. Yeah, lots of nice stuff in NVIM 10. Use macros to automate the rear end menu. This is called Masters mode. Exactly. Have you tried not charging back? Exactly. Neovim 10 will have coffee purchasing support. There's no web version of the shop. It's only SSH. Later, we'll probably add something that you could go like go run github.com like terminal.shop/terminal, something like this. If you don't want to connect over SSH, but otherwise, yeah, it's just terminal. So from you, roasted. Thank you. Peoples. Medium article is doing well. Oh, nice. Every time I go back to M, start obsessing over M and then never get my work done. Any tips? Yeah, you just, my honest answer is you should limit yourself to only trying to fix one thing at a time, DJ. And then doing that one thing well. Right? And then that stops you from like trying to play whack-a-mole with all the problems in your config. Just do one at a time. And then once you've sort of like got that one down, then you can move to another one. But that also makes it so you can't, you know, unlimited time on your NVIM config. Yeah, I want to make a telescope plugin for it later, ZD. What's up, AK? I'm not superstitious, but I'm a little stitious. What SSH URL again? Well, it will be shterminal.shop. Will it ever be open source? Yeah, it'll have to be when we do this. We just want to make sure we sort of solve a bunch of things first. When can I order my groceries from the terminal? Good question, Chirai. We're thinking about the Amazon walkout style. What's the standard alternative telescope? I guess like Vim grep, maybe? I don't know. The complexities in making a payment journey in the terminal. Yeah, the complexity is that we're selling a real thing. Why is it so much harder to ship real products to places? Raj, no, you're right on time. Okay, bye, Saeed. It turns out it's really complicated to do a good job of shipping things. Real goods, that's what I'm saying. Like, I should have just kept on going and selling Neovim licenses for $0. What's up, DeNovo? We are. Dax has hundreds of bags at his house. Ready to ship. Are you actually going to sell coffee or is that just a gimmick? No, like people have literally ordered the coffee and it's going to start shipping next week. What kind of coffee? It's a medium blend roast, although it's on the lighter side of medium. Not making enough? Make it up in volume. Exactly, Shirai. It's worldwide shipping? Not right now. It's US only. Mostly because it's kind of complicated. We're working on getting roasters in other places. Top 2 places we're looking at right now are Brazil mentioned, and then somewhere in the EU. Oh, thanks, honey. What? I didn't hear the beginning of what you said. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, that sounds good. Don't hear my well added to other drinks. Oh, thanks. What were we saying? Roasters? Yeah, like we need someone to roast and ship and distribute. Thanks, Kike. It's beta for top shelfers. Can confirm it's working. Yeah. What roasters? What do you mean? So anyway, so it's that's pretty much the plan right now. We have to figure out a bunch of stuff to do that, but coffee roasters, local ones. Yeah, because we want to be able to send people really good coffee. Yeah, well, it's pretty much impossible to like import food back in. That's just a no-go. I don't want to have to worry about accidentally breaking any, you know, international laws kinds of things. You know what I'm saying? I'm not really into that game. You do bulk even if the roast is greater than 2 months ago? It's all gonna be freshly roasted. Well, I can't make any particular promise. That would be cool art, yeah. So we're talking to different roasters, right? So I'm saying, like, I don't want to make any promises to you guys about exactly what the coffee's gonna be like, etc. I should do a delivery fee one. That would be pretty funny, and I'll drive over and hand it to you. What state in Brazil you buying this coffee? Well, that's what I'm saying. We don't have a Brazil roaster set up yet. Dax was talking to somebody that he knew, something, I don't know. Yeah, right. So we just need to find one, like, EU roaster. Shirai, I do. There's a really cool language called Elixir and a cool library called Twitch. Hello Stream. Right, these right here, Dax, carrots with a little bit of brown sugar. Ooh. Elixir was mentioned, yeah. And then I got a chicken sandwich. Adam food. Don't worry. That's just the warm-up to eating. This is the warm-up to eating, Dax. Not an actual meal. So true, Melky. We are looking for European roasters. If anyone knows a European coffee roaster. True. You got a point, Dax. I think they do originate in Europe. But why roast in EU? Well, because importing is complicated. That's one part of it. The other part is, if it's up to me, if it's up to me, right? This song's actually, I can't even talk with this song. It's too hype. Sorry. I'm skipping it because it's too hype to talk over. Oh, it's focused. The main reason though is because if we're gonna sell coffee to people, no, we wouldn't import raw beans. We would work with like someone who does roasting and distribution in the EU. You understand what I'm saying? Like, I want to sell people good coffee. I don't want to like be competing with Folgers. You know what I'm saying? McFly, you roast in Indianapolis? And you just put a label on it? Well, it wouldn't be just putting a label on it, but yeah, I mean, are you expecting us to buy a coffee, like, farm? I don't know. What is the expectation? I'm confused. I'm doing a Java rewrite, yep. We are going to work on different blends. How many YouTubers selling mid coffee? Feels marketable. Oh, I know we could get away with selling mid coffee. That's just not what I want to do. It doesn't seem fun. Roasted has a good point though. Yeah, Melky blend. I like it, Melky. BS coffee. That would be a pretty funny one. Oh, I got hiccups. We just use Stripe, Rufio. Just a cup of milk? That's so funny. Yeah, Kazu, we're exploring some options. Capuchin would be a funny collab. That would be really funny. Oh. One thing I can promise, there will be memes. That much I can commit to. There's not a whole lot I feel confident committing to at this time, but memes and funny names, yes. It's part of the fun. You know what I mean? Hindley Mildner blend oat coffee. That only counts if it's from France, Shirai. What's the price of one bag and one meme? Good question. It's a coffee sandwich, yeah. I'm just eating the beans. Is Neovim doc too overwhelming for a beginner? I don't think so. Just go slow, Rush. Do you know what I mean? No, I didn't, but I should have. You will not be able to buy with Teej coins. No, that is really bad strategy. Lava latte. That would make it a currency, and then we would be in trouble. Oh, come on. Come on, just let us do it. Just break the law. Who cares? Coffee and Joy. Dax, did you get that name down? Noob Training's message said some guys from Brazil quit their jobs as software engineers, and now they roast their own coffee. How next level would it be? How next level would it be if it was one of the guys? You talking about us? Adam! If we register this stream as a religious organization, then we could be tax exempt and the law couldn't touch our currency. I like where your head's at, chat. YouTube chat got some good ideas. Some very good ideas over here. Oh, we should definitely talk to them. Did you see it? Okay, Dax, you saw it? Nice. Coffee. Yeah, I'll send it to Liz. Nice. It's going great, chat. I use Pop OS. Anyways, so that would be really fun. That would be really fun. I'd like to get... The other thing about it, chat, is if we can find local roasters, we can basically do... what do you call it? Like, location-dependent costs? What normalized costs? What's the word I'm looking for? What's the word I'm looking for, chat? Localized. PP. I don't think it was PP. Regional pricing or localized pricing. That's good. Yeah, all of those seemed pretty good except for PP. Yeah. Pricing on the edge. Yep. But anyways, if we get someone in Brazil, we can hopefully, like, because we don't have to get it all the way US and all this other stuff, right? We can hopefully, like, have a way lower price, which would be fun. Personal pricing. Oh. How do you get the same taste of coffee from multiple roasters? Well, they would be different blends. They would just only be available, like, in, you know, Brazil or something like this, right? I'm someone in Brazil, but I can't deliver nothing. I just want coffee. We're working on it. Or you know what I'm saying? Stabilizers. That's the opposite of what we want to put in, actually. I'm pretty sure. Ordered Modern in January, got it in April. Stuck in customs since Feb 16. Yeah. Yeah, that's tough. They love coffee down there. No, like, particular plans in the sense that I don't know anybody there that could hook us up with a roaster that they know of that could do it. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it would be fun. Terminal coffee is vegan, obviously. All coffee is vegan except for the ones where it's cat poop. Actually, we have to ask. Is the cat poop coffee still vegan? That's the real questions that we need to know. Let's go. I've been wondering the same thing. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Byproduct of an animal, right? That's what depends on what the cat eats. Now we're talking. They deliver to Brazil, but using yeah. Bean by bean basis. Fanciest small coffee roaster site ever. Cult Coffee. Ooh, it looks good. They're in Germany? Maybe we should reach out to them. I don't know. We're trying to go slow and not mess it up. Austria speaking German? Got it. Then it gets roasted. Is it coffee? Good question, ZD. I don't know. Vegetables aren't vegan. Dang. Terry Davis built his own operating system, his own program. True. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. It's not cat poop. It's Kopi Luwak in Brazil. I don't know what that means. My boss literally bought that coffee and gave me the whole bottle as a souvenir from Indonesia. Imagine my surprise when I found it was cat poop. Tough, dude. Tough. Yeah, I have no idea what that means, chat. Kopi Luwak is bat poop, isn't it? I don't... Chat. I just drink... I like good coffee, but I don't know these words, okay? I don't know these words. I don't think I've ever eaten poop coffee, and I don't really plan on it either. Coffee La Cabra. They are based in Denmark. Oh, interesting. Okay. I don't want to know what's in my coffee anymore. Mine are just beans, which is nice. Some is drinking Folgers instant. True. Best coffee ever is from Espirito Santo. They do private label. They do private labeling. Create your own coffee brand. Oh, nice. For who are you talking about, Panda? Why'd you land on coffee and not any other food? Oh, nice. Called cat. Okay, nice. Yeah, maybe we will reach out to them then. That would be cool. We'd have to taste a few blends and stuff. I do drink coffee. I drink coffee all day. Why did we do coffee? The main reason is because, so here's basically, I'm going to give you away our secret. Sorry if Dax is here and he doesn't want us to give away the secret. The like really simple answer is I like coffee. So that seems fun to do. I don't really want to sell anything that I don't like. I didn't want to do one that that you would build your whole business on. I'm just not really that interested, generally speaking, in doing like sponsors or other things where you're gonna make a bunch of technical decisions based on my opinion. It just doesn't seem that fun. And then the last thing is that it's actually possible to get good coffee and to get it to you quickly enough that it's actually still good. Now you understand what I'm saying? Like it's kind of difficult to like get good shirts and all these other things or whatever, right? So the combo of those three make it seem pretty fun to try out. And then it just seemed like hilarious to build it in the terminal. Like it just seems fun. And I know I've said it before, I've been canceled many times for this take. Even though it's 2024, I still think you should be allowed to have fun on the internet. Okay? I'm gonna stand by that take. Right? So, lovely take. Thank you. Boom, roasted. That's what I said a lot of times. Chat did not know yet that we were selling coffee. Imagine internet not being fun. That's what I'm saying. It seems like a lot of people's opinions. Oh, did we just catch you having fun? Excuse me. Fun is for old people, and old people don't do internet. So anyways, that's basically why we settled on coffee. It just seems so fun to like type something in your terminal, beep, boop, bop, boop, 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 and then you order it, and then you press enter, and then like something shows up to your door. Is that not hilarious? Maybe it's just me. You know what I'm saying? But like, it just seems pretty funny to do the whole thing in your terminal and just have like coffee show up at your door. That seems fun. The store is not publicly available yet. Teej terminal make beep boop noises. That's what gives me the typing speed, chat. Hopefully today, tomorrow, next week, sometime like this. Yeah, later we'll maybe think about doing some other goofy stuff, like adding an API and things. I think it's kind of a novel idea, right? And it's like kind of fun that it's coffee, right? Because you order coffee. Like you buy coffee. What if you just had fun buying it? That's basically my pitch. It's not the best pitch in the world. I get that. Probably we could think of something better. But basically the pitch is like, what if you just had fun while you ordered your coffee? And then you smiled when it came to your house. You know what I'm saying? It's fun if not everyone could do it, like some sort of challenge that only some could do. We have some ideas for this too. Bro, I have tried Zed. Yeah. I know a few people working on it as well. It's very cool. What if you had to solve threesome before? Chat, you guys definitely have never solved a threesome before. Am I right, Pick? You get 300 orders from me. It was my cat sitting on the keyboard. Right now we have a max order number, but later we'll have one. How dare you have fun? An IRC bot that ordered pizza for a group of people. Everyone could state how many slices they liked, and the bot ordered as many. Oh, nice. That's pretty sweet. Imagine buying coffee using cron job. Yes, exactly. We just need to make sure that you can't accidentally order, you know, 3,000 or one every second. These kinds of problems. I know that that doesn't seem like that good of a strategy. Will snake and pong games with leaderboards. Yeah, well, we're gonna make other fun stuff, I think, about it, assuming people actually are buying the coffee. What's the exit strategy? There's not really an exit strategy. I want you guys to buy coffee and hopefully you smile. What's the exit? I don't know. Were you able to ship right now? Just the US. How much to buy the company? You'd be pretty stupid to buy the company right now. No channel dreams right now. Nothing's running. High is diuretic. That's funny. What does your cap table look like? I would sell my equity for the right price, chat. And then I would just start the same company again. Because we've only spent like 2 weeks building the software. I mean, it's not like... Alfor, hey, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. Is there a subscription of it? Option? Yeah, we will add one. We haven't done it yet. Clipped. We have to sort out some roaster and some other problems. Can I buy equity with Teej coin? Definitely no. What bugs are you going to be fixing? Oh, that's a good question. I still had fixing bugs for a bit. We were going to fix some other misery things, but yeah. How much R&D on the coffee blend? Well, for the first one, we found a roaster that like Dax knew, so we knew the coffee was good. I'm not sure what we'll do on the other ones. In multiple Folgers costs. I don't know. It's more than Folgers. I don't think we're going to do K-Cups anytime soon. That seems pretty hard to... that seems like a pretty hard market to be in. Can you share my Westterm? Yeah, it's in my dot files repo in Westterm stuff. We ship coffee in the EU. Not right now, but as soon as we find an EU roaster, basically, then yes. It's kind of complicated to do customs and import, export, and all this other stuff, right? So ideally, we'd find someone that can ship within the EU, and then we'd do that. We just don't want to mess it up, chat. It's really easy to mess up physical products. I can roast you. I'm from EU. Go for it. Trying to set up lazy vim for C++, but I'm completely stuck. Oh, yeah. Well, the problem is C++, I'm pretty sure. They haven't started in the US yet. Yeah. Pour over kits and coffee accessories. It seems a little bit, I don't know. I mean, like, it would be cool, but then we'd have to find, okay, you got me. That's funny. I don't know. I'm not going to commit to selling anything besides coffee. Sin, hey, thanks. 9 months. Appreciate it. Let's make a deal. I work at... Jose, your link didn't work. I can't see any links in YouTube chat. You got to send like website space dot space something. Wait, no, mugs. Mugs would be good. I think mugs would be probably the first thing we expand into. But we have to figure out how to actually like get mugs and procure them. And then it's like, it's not so simple, chat. Once again, I don't want to send you crappy mugs from Brazil. Jose, you got to send like google.com like this so that I can see the link. Links don't work in YouTube chat or come to Twitch. Mugs and off material is easy. Yeah, but all I got was a crappy mug. That would be a good t-shirt roasted. Oh, okay. Okay. Do you have Discord, Jose? What's up, Brandon? Don't forget coasters. Coasters would be fun too. You have to use a public key, chat. It should say public key denied. You just need to connect with a public key. Yeah. Okay, Jose, join that Discord and then talk to me. Ping me and then we can chat. I really want the triangle system whiteboard explanation. That would be pretty funny as well. Yeah, I should make that as a shirt. Maybe an order status tracker for my status bar. That would be so freaking funny. Oh my goodness, that's a really good idea. How close is your coffee? You'd sell tens. I know, tens of triangle shirts. That'd be pretty funny though. Okay, what were we even gonna do? I was gonna write some of my Neovim config today. No building on my understanding of Edmund's Lua APIs, especially when attempting to configure plugins. There's some obvious resources missing good access. Yeah, have you just like when you're doing it, you can do like help and vim buff set lines, something like this, right? And then you could read them. I'm not sure exactly, but like they're all detailed quite a bit inside of here about how they work, and you can read help API. That has a lot of good stuff too. Will there be mugs with your toes? Does it say your toes on them? What? With my toes on them for early adopters? No, I don't think so. YouTube chat went from great ideas earlier to there. What is the host to connect to buy coffee? Well, right now you can't, chat. You can't buy it right now. We're still sorting out some other things. You can blame. Who should we blame today? I'm gonna say we blame Adam. That's gonna be who that's who I'm gonna vote for. Why'd you switch from i3 to Awesome? I've never used i3. Oh, it's Johnny's fault. Coins real, coffee fake, or is that backwards? Adam! Always blame JavaScript or the backend, or JavaScript on the backend. Yep. What did I tweet earlier with Adam that I thought was a pretty good one? Oh, I thought this one was pretty funny. This sushi was actually pretty good, but it was pretty funny because it actually is broccoli inside here. Dax looks so defeated, dude. Dax looks so defeated in this picture. Like, he just looks so sad. Oh man, why am I working with these lunatics? Exactly. What in the broccoli is that? It actually was pretty good overall, but then we went to a real sushi place the next day and I have to admit it was better. Dax did have a lot of pictures where when you zoomed in on his face, he looked disappointed. He looked disappointed. Okay. So we really need to sell a lot of coffee to make it worth it for Dax. Okay. Why does Teej look photoshopped? I know, I do kind of feel like it looks like I just got slapped into the picture here, like around here. Do you see my arm through the shirt? Oh no, it's the light. I was like, my arm doesn't like bend in like this. I don't have anti-muscles here. I've been rowing. Okay, I've been rowing. I played basketball this morning. Okay. All right, let's twig arms. Dude, this is like inverse twig arms here. It literally looks like you played with your kids. I did, but not for basketball time. Oh, I forgot that we had this sweet color scheme going. Those eyes are making me uncomfortable. These eyes. D's eyes. Oh, chat. You know the worst part? You want to know the worst part? This is my job now. It's this or try and sell coffee in the terminal. Those are my best options at the moment to put food on the table for my family. And socks. You've got a point. You've got a point there. Better make it work. He's putting food on his family. No, I've usually put food on myself by spilling. I nearly spill my water. I said, these eyes. Oh my goodness. Have you sold any coffee? Yes, we actually did. We've been doing small batch or artisanal, organic handcrafted testing. Integration testing by having primes, as in the Primogen, not prime subs, but the Primogens subs be our guinea pigs. Because it's pretty much like, you sort of got to think, if they're willing to sub to prime, then they're probably willing to buy anything. This is like a really good target audience. Okay? It's a really good target audience to test out your products on. Pretty low, chat, pretty low. Bottom of the barrel. I'm just saying. Can confirm. Sub to prime. Exactly, that's what I'm saying. Terminal coffee seems like an ideal niche to feed a couple of families. This is kind of the hope. It'll be very fun. Chat. Okay, so here's the other thing. This is more of an internal motivation. But how funny would it be? Hear me out. How funny would it be if we sell just an insane amount of coffee in the terminal and we just destroy everybody's JavaScript websites that they spend all this time and effort on trying to make good, like, oh, I got to SSR this and ISR that, and oh my goodness, I got to do PNPM now. Oh no, we switched to Yarn. Oh my goodness, we switched. Oops, no, now I'm updating my node module, right? And it's like, what if we just put it in SSH? You know what I'm saying? This Starbucks opens their first SSH shirt. SSH shops will be a new AI. No spying in SSH. Yeah, well, right. There's nothing besides what you type into the terminal, right? What did Shadow miss? We're making SEOs for boomers. How much coffee's been sold so far? I think we've sold. I actually don't know. Dax would know. Probably. But like, we haven't opened it to very many people yet. So where's coffee shipped to? US right now only. Because of customs and some other stuff, but we're sorting out other options. Yeah, but can you link to individual projects in a website? What do you mean? I don't know what you mean, Trice. How do I get the sweet user data from the console? True. They have a UI. Yeah, we can make anything happen. One of the things I want to do next is SSH only. Yes. New Silk Road unlocked. Oh no, don't say that, Shy Ride, dude. Don't say that. You're telling me that I need to build a search engine for SSH shops? That would actually be so funny. Have you ever create a website? It better be a JavaScript SSH client. No. If we ever create a website, it'll be a regular website, but everything's 15 or 20% more. And the like fee, it just says JavaScript tax. Like if you don't want to go in and SSH and do the same experience but faster and better, then we'll just take the JavaScript tax, and that's fine. You know what I mean? It's SSH hack, Jaitan, TJ, WD. Shh, quiet. But where do I have to manage separate Vim configurations on other machines? I just sync them together. No website, no JavaScript. Exactly. I have some beans I want to sell. We are going to try and open source it though, yeah. We had a cookie notice. No, there's no tracking. There are no cookies. You know what I mean? We don't even have a database right now. Technically, And you can blame Dax for this. Some of the API is in JavaScript. So we have a front end in Go and back end in JavaScript, which it's sort of like, what can you do? That's just 2024 things for you. No cookies? How do you do auth? You type in, well, you type in the stuff and then you log in. Thought that was a joke. No, Dax did the backend stuff in SST, which apparently is kind of JavaScript. How are you supposed to show Facebook ads? That's a good point. Where's source code? Not available yet because I'm worried Prime has committed tokens. So we need to go back, clean everything out, double check everything's good, and then make sure there's no tokens or any of these other kind of problems, and then we'll make it open source probably. Oh, hey, thanks, Andre. Appreciate it. The leakage, and yeah, that's so like there's some parts that are really great about having Prime on your team. Like I'm sure there are some, you know what I'm saying? But there's also negatives, right? So it's sort of like it's both, right? Just keep the tokens or no one will take advantage. Yeah, I'm sure. Double-edged sword with Prime, exactly. Hey, thanks, Jeremiah. Well, it does make sense it would be him out of the two of you. Yeah. So, anyways, we'll sort that out. We'll sort that out later, though. Like, ideally, you will be able to run it just by doing like go run something here, right? And you can run it directly, which I think would be fun as well. But yeah, we'll see. Change token values to this is a dummy key. Yeah. To repo any minute now. I gaslight Adam into adding me. Oh, nice, Johnny. Just recreate all tokens. That way, even if you miss some, they're invalid. Yeah. I mean, chat, Dax has launched things before. Okay, so I'm really not worried about it. Dax will make sure that it's fine. Go run code.exe. Exactly. We're just not ready to do that yet. You know what I'm saying? Well, I want it to be good, basically. Just wrote my first plugin. Let's go, Slugbite. Nice. You open source. It's not true open source unless you open source all your API tokens. Prime has taken that to heart. But do you have to download something or straight SSH? If you do the SSH one, you don't have to download anything. Right? But if you don't want to do SSH like to a random open server, you could like go run it and then type your stuff in there, things like this. Oh dang, Ram 10, thank you. Hey, thanks for the gifted subs, appreciate it. And chat, all of your subs that you gift now, I get more money from them than before, because we're making Partner Plus. Or I guess I don't know if that starts next month. Probably it starts next month. Twitch probably doesn't like apply it until the end of the month. They probably have some batch job that runs once a month. Like now that I'm saying it out loud, I'm thinking, yeah, Twitch is not going to live update this kind of thing. It's not going to, they've got a batch job. It's scheduled for the first of the month. It runs over everywhere. What to do if you get your first task as an intern to refactor code? I would try and refactor it. And ask a lot of questions along the way. But I'm not sure. Close the stream and come back on Wednesday. Exactly. I'm not sure. Like, I need more info than this. Some artist, hey, thank you. And Nth Panda, thank you as well. Appreciate the subs, chat. Unironically, this is my job. It's evaluated at the end of the month according to UTC timestone. Yeah. I would change some variable names and call it a refactor. Chat, I wanted to set up, what is is Mason working? We don't have Mason working. Let's add Mason. Let's just add Mason to this. I'd break it and call it a refactor. Oh, you know what we haven't done as well? We haven't added telescope. We need to add dependencies. We need to say Neovim telescope telescope FZF native. Telescope FZF native dash telescope dash FZF dash native dot Neovim. And then this needs to do. Can't I just do make or something like this? Doesn't this just do make? Yeah, that should work just fine. Nice. Okay. Yeah, this is fine. I don't need this. What's the Matrix Hacker basement mode? This is base 16 green or something like this. Bassy 29 months is so long. Hype Train, Feline, Sidar, thank you. Crow as well. Dang. Thanks for all the subs right now, chat. Base 420. Then we need to do. I have not done this in so long. Dang. Require telescope dot setup extensions. Oops. Hey, I just pretend to code till it works. Noise. FCF. I don't know that we probably don't need any of these. And then we need to do pcall require telescope load extension FCF, right? When are you gonna make a Neovim plug to post a stream announcement? Dan, I just wait until you come in and remind me, because then I know that it's time. At everyone. Oh, we coding now. Neovim config rewrite. That's why. I'm just waiting for you to get here. Is bad prod code that needs to be refactored on some of the business but don't have like a reference to clean code? So I basically don't know what to do and feel like I'm taking too much time on small tasks, not delivering. Tests are there, but needs to be done too. Well, have you tried talking to anyone about it, Karame? I'm not trying to be a weenie about it. I'm saying, like, have you expressed this concern to your teammates? And has it been made clear to you what the expectation is for you as an intern? Oh my goodness. Anthony, what's up? Also, why am I tagged as an artist? I mean, I am, but don't tell people. What are you up to today, Anthony? Teej, what has been your maximum work time in one sitting? I don't know. Like, without going to the bathroom? What do you mean one sitting? Define it. Golang mentioned? True, I was actually writing a lot of Golang the past week. Spectrum, thanks for the prime as well. Appreciate it. Anthony, I'm following you, right? Okay, I'm not. There we go. Golang is best lang. It's a lang for sure. It's one of the languages. I mean, without sleep, I don't know, probably like 10 or 12 hours. I've never really done like all-nighters for code things or other things like this, right? It's sort of just like, oh no. You're really hot dogging on them? Nokadoko, thank you. I don't know, that feels kind of ominous. So what are we doing right now? As a sub goal, I told chat I would rewrite my Neovim config. And so then we built an entire system in Elixir to allow people to do a bunch of goofy redeems. Like they can just go here to dashboard. And you can do these. So you could click like redeem a random color scheme, right? Or like there's hide my cursor. That's a pretty good one. There's like a lot of good ones, right? And so you can click on these and then like at some point they'll execute inside of Neovim, right? So someone did a random color scheme. So now we're on random color scheme. Because it kind of seemed too easy to rewrite my Neovim config just like by writing it. You know what I mean? So we made it more difficult. This kind of thing, right? Joining Prime on his trip to Brazil? I'm not, unfortunately. It would have been really fun, but so yeah, so that's kind of what's going on. So it's focused, boys. Oh, it's focused. It's not going to work if you guys type focus, though. Random taller scheme. That's a good one. I think this is working. Is this going to work if we go... Whoops.
How would you say your mental focus is?
Oh, it's focused.
Gets me every time, dude. What did I do after this? I broke something in that, though. So anyways. That was the jump scare one. Oh, nice, chat. Look. We switched right to left to be right to left backwards, and now it works. Why use VS? It's so expensive. Well, I'm not going to do it otherwise. You managed to get anything like Copilot working with local? Yeah, I have tried. I have tried something like that before. What's your opinion on Neovim getting rid of G question mark? Are we did we actually? Is that happening? Rot 13's getting removed? I don't think it is, right? Will there ever be a sale? Why does it even exist? It's just a classic Vimism. You know what I mean? I don't think we got rid of it, did we? I would be kind of surprised. Remove the GS. Oh. We might get rid of it. Remove them. I would be kind of sad. GS? That seems fine to delete. How to make RTL? Just do set right left. The GS one seems good, but it's gonna make me sad to lose G question mark. It's one of my favorite. That makes me sad. So he moved to an end instead of with Copilot. That's funny. Why would they remove it if there's no replacement? But removing Rot 13 is heresy. Yeah, I feel sad about that one. I'll talk to people. No. The main so one of Neovim's goals is like it's not just to like add Lua or things, right? It's that we want to make like it's about focusing, removing extra stuff, right? There's code to do this, and if you can remove the feature because it adds no value, like there's been other times where we do it and I like it. It's just kind of hard. Okay, nice. We got hit with the RTL and then the rotated. I got this though. It's totally fine. Let's go ahead and go. No, I want to go vim.keymap.set normal mode. Space. I had en before, which was function built-in.find files. Current working directory vim fn standard path. Config, I think, right? Oh, this one's not so bad. This is so cursed. Oh, it's cursed. Hey, thanks for the hype train, chat. Oh, as well earlier, Bassy, thanks for the bits. I don't think I said thank you, but I appreciate it. The value's in the fun? Yeah, I get it. I would be a little sad to lose G question mark, but it is what it is. All right, so echo standard path, right? It's standard path config is the one that I want, right? Yeah. Okay, that's good. I'm almost down to 100K. Nice. All right, so that's good. We have Telescope working. We should have Telescope FCF native. If I install this, will this install? I don't think so. It doesn't seem like it did. Nice. We probably should not have just updated everything, but that's okay. Whatever. Okay. So then we need to go back to LSP, because what I wanted to do here, LSP. There we go. I've never heard of it. Just looked it up. Now I'm interested. Can't believe Apple, the trillion-dollar company, is such a garbage ID. True. Good point. What color scheme are you using? Many different color schemes. Jeremiah, it depends on how you configured it. You'd have to go check your Lewis snip stuff. BIOS theme. Oh no, not snake mode. Okay. I don't remember what I was even going to try and do. Snake mode. Dang it. Snake mode. I literally can't even. It's just, I've been wrecked. Okay. I've been wrecked. It's fine. What were we going to do? We were going to add Mason. Right. I wanted to add Mason back in. Because I do think it's pretty nice for a few of these random tools that I don't care about. I do love Mountain Dew theme as well. One nice thing, chat, is when we lose focus, it pauses. See how it's at 20? We can go and read docs, and when we come back, it'll start doing it. Snake mode, definitely too short. You're probably right. I think you're probably right. The other problem, though, is like sometimes it just means we get completely stalled. I should just look at what we did for Kickstart for this. Pause when you lose focus. Yeah. Yep. See, it's still at 20 seconds. I really am trying. Did you find cheap interns for a start? Unironically, chat, I didn't want to scam you. You know? Believe it or not, I didn't want to. Okay, so we've got, what is this again? William Bowman, Mason.nvim. We've got William Bowman, Mason, lspconfig.nvim. And then also, I do think this one was kind of nice. Who is Seth Daniel? Who is Seth Daniel? Mason tool installer. Installer.nvim. Nice. We got some Fog of War going. Great. Oh, we could get Fidget going again. I do miss having Fidget. J. Hui Fidget NVIM. Do you have any suggestions to make telescope grep string to file sim links and ignore get folder? I thought it should ignore get folder by default. I don't know though. Dan mentioned, let's go. This is an interesting one. That is not that great of one, I feel. Okay, those are all good. Where do we do the tool setup stuff? There we go. Yeah. So we gotta go. Oh no! Did we really change this to 5 minutes? Suit up? Oh, I missed it. There's still a few bugs. Why are you writing it? For the fun of it. Because chat got a sub goal and I said I would do it. This time I'm trying to make one that's actually understandable by other people. Okay. So what do we need to do here? We need to go require Mason. Oh, here. I should probably also set this. Where is this again? Here you go. You guys can see how delayed we are now. Require Mason dot setup. I think I did the wrong quote on the second one. Yep. Oh, that doesn't make any sense. Okay. It's a long time. It's a long time. Mason setup. And then we need to get some ensure installed. Okay. So let's do that. Do it. The longest one that hurts. Okay. That one's fine. Okay. So that one's okay. I do like having... That should be fine, right? Yep. Style Lua. Bonk. Boom. Bop. Bink. Doo-doo-doo. Dop. Default section, you had file ignore pattern. Yeah. Sure installed. Clang. That's okay. We'll be okay. Mason tool installer. Okay. Require Mason tool installer. Might have messed that one up as well. Yep. Installer. Setup. Ensure installed is ensure installed. Okay. So that's good. Oh no. What's Shirai tweeting about now? Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Shirai, that's an awesome one. Do we know if Jacob actually uses Emacs or not? Doesn't matter. That's a good one. That is a good one. This picture's so good, dude. You have redeemed stuff? No, all I know is that there's 8. I mean, we could write something for that. We have not done that yet. Okay, so then I don't need this right now. Although I guess this is pretty nice to remember to do capabilities and stuff. But I'm not sure that I actually need that. Maybe I don't even need LSP config. I'm not sure. This is okay for now. Is this a Razor Naga? I think so, yeah. MD, hey, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. 2-month streak. Nice. And Karamare. I can't. Dex looks like he's trying to get 100 more kills. Okay. Yeah. If you couldn't tell Dex was in Miami, that shirt lets you know. Oh, chat, I was doing my best to try and match up with Dex as hard as I could. I was doing my very best. Okay. This lets us get Mason going, which lets us do a few of our servers, which is pretty nice for a few of these guys. Like this one we shouldn't need to do anymore because we can, instead of doing this, wear Midwestern L. True. Although, I will say here. Oh my goodness. It takes so long. The delay is on everything. So it's just very funny. It's like even pressing enter in my browser takes 3 seconds. Let me see if I can find. Where's the picture of me and the milkman? Fully formal Fridays. No, someone just redeemed it. This was matching top and bottom. Okay. So I was going as hard as I could to match Dax in this. I had shorts the exact same as this. No big deal. I'm pretty sure I looked like a dad on a cruise. That's what Madison said. And then I was like, that's pretty much what was happening. You know? Shirt not loud enough. It was pretty loud for how dressed up everybody else is. I mean, look at these people. Suit, collared shirt. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just walked into the conference. Same teeth. People usually do have pretty similar teeth. Yeah. It's just like how the human mouth works. What exactly? That's exactly how you know you're a dad. Exactly. That's what I was saying. I saw your interview. It was loud. Thank you, Z. That's what I'm saying. I'm just going to wear gym clothes to Big Sky DEF CON. Smart. Same number of hands, generally speaking. Wait! The alert didn't play, did it? Did you not hear it? Salt my hammies. It was on mute. Baiting gifts. Whoa! No sound, only Prime's disgusting face. Yeah. Here, I'll oh, that's gonna come later. I put a jump scare and that's gonna just come later today, chat. We don't know when it is. It's in the queue. Jump scare coming later. Thanks, Lithium. Got to hang out with Lithium in Miami. Very fun. Okay, so now with this, we can go down to here. 6. Oops. 5J, I think. Undo. That was not the delete I wanted to do, chat. 1, 2, 3. Delete inside here. Delete inside here. We don't need either of those. That's good. That's good. Pop. 1, 2, 3. Dude, it's so hard to figure out where I'm at in this. Okay. How did Gleam so easily integrate with LSP config, not Mason? What do you mean, typing? Well, I don't know what you're saying. I've been there 5 minutes out in the table. Good on! I feel like Teej is the most like me of the entire group. Let's go. Lithium and I had a lot of fun. Their hand cam delay? No. No, it's how long it takes before it gets typed to the screen. Very difficult. What brand is your keyboard? It's not branded, as someone printed it for me. Here, chat. With the last 20 seconds here, we'll open up a monkey type. I thought Lithium wasn't real. Dude, if Lithium wasn't real, then we probably would not have full-time programming streamers. Oh! Ah! Oh! That feels good. One more time? Okay. The problem is, it is a 3D printer. The problem is if I mess it up this time, then it's like it undoes this one. So if we make a mistake on this one, 60 seconds, that's pretty long. I'm gonna definitely make a mistake once in 60 seconds, but here we go. Ugh, okay. I think I already choked. Whoops. Dang it. Oh no! I don't know if I messed that one up. Oh, no. Oh, those two chokes though. Yeah, you're good, Lithium. I want you to go do your own thing. I'm excited for you. This part, chat, but okay, be honest though. Be honest though, the blind recoveries. What did you think about that? I could tell. Part of it's just reading the character wrong. You know what I'm saying? But like, ruined. True, it was ruined. See, look at this, because we got all of them correct in the end. I did not print it myself. I got it from this guy Carbon Fett on Reddit. Do you know what it is for you on a normal keyboard? For for regular letters and stuff, I'm pretty similar speed, I think, on a regular keyboard. I don't think I'm going to be as fast, but we'll see. Okay. Oh my, dang it. What am I doing? Backspacing too. Oh no, my fingers are getting tired. But on this keyboard, my fingers, I already feel them getting tired. Like, they don't feel good. Like, it's so much comfier on my dactyl. So much comfier. Like, my fingers feel so much better typing on this. What Lua tutorial do you recommend? The Lua docs. What are your thumb keys layers? I don't have this on. I don't have this one on. I need to add this here, but I have space and backspace, enter and tab, left, right, up, down, and I don't really use these guys up. So I guess I hit tab. I hit tab. I guess when I was showing you what button was which. And then I moved it to the next scene. Seriously, I could get that video so I can DP it. Yeah, I can send it to you, Dan. I'll send it to you later. It's like I clicked in my list of scenes to move to this scene. To here, and then when I press tab, it moved from here to the bread one. Oh, escape is here. I guess I do press that on my thumb. I forgot about that. I just like natural. I just forgot. I forget where they are sometimes. Bambi, hey, thanks. Did you build your own? No, I bought it. I have every time for PETA. Thanks, Nokodoku. Oh my goodness, that reminds me. I have another one. I have another clip. Chat, I have another clip. Let me get it right now for you. Let me get it right now for you. I forgot that I've got another one. I've got another one ready for you. But how do I download this? Dang it. Oh, that's right. I got to tell him. Can you... What? Why is this not working? Did something happen? What the beans? Oh, delayed keyboard still on? Oh, that's right. It only delays this keyboard. I forgot, chat. I forgot. I was like, why is it still getting delayed on my other computer? Right. We were smart and we made it only delay this keyboard. I forgot about that tablet keyboard. Nice. Excellent. What I was just thinking was after this, I was really thinking like, I want the tablet keyboard experience. Can you send me? Monkey type on tablet. We'll do one 15-second monkey type. Yeah. We will do one 15-second monkey type. Let's see if it's working. Okay. All right, here we go. Ready? You have to write the first word, because then that's where we start. Okay. No! Oh my goodness! Dang it! Let's go. Let's go. Let's try again because I accidentally choked. I accidentally choked. Okay. I clicked past send. So we're going to try again. Okay, ready? What? What happened? What's going on? It just broke. Hello? Hi? Send? Okay, restart. I don't know what just happened. Dude, with T9, I used to be fast. Why is it not going? Send. I don't know what's going on. T9. Maybe use enter key instead of send. I don't think it works. If I do like hi, I press this, it just literally doesn't enter, chat. I need to get my other hand like ready. Here, we'll try again. We'll try it. Yeah, but it feels kind of cheating. Okay, we'll just do we'll start with the first word and then we'll write everything we can until the end, right? Here, I need to move this. Okay, it needed a space. We'll try again. Chat, I write as fast as some of you type, but with 100% accuracy. Okay? I literally write as fast as some of you type, but actually with 100% accuracy. Clip it and ship it, boys. Yeah, some of you are in so much shambles right now. I can't believe we got 38. Dude, that's my handwriting speed. This keyboard right here, this is called a tablet. I'm handwriting with a pen. Oh my goodness. Now use the whisper library and see what we can do with that. Oh, fast, probably. Oh wait, we got to keep this because we're going to code with this for a little bit. The pen 15, it's a very common one. Is it graffiti, the Palm Pilot handwriting? Okay, chat, I don't know what else we need to install here. We need to go do, let's go 5K, send, O, little o, send, Let's do tailwind, language, server. Yep. Send. Oh, put spaces there. That's a little annoying. Escape. Send. Colon S. No. Colon S slash. Space slash. 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 Enter. Come on. What? Did it not do it? Oh, I did 2 spaces. Dang it. All right, let's try again. S slash. S slash. Space slash. How many spaces? Slash. Enter. Did it not work? Why is it not doing that? Am I crazy? Oh, I'm not doing G. Dang it. Colon. I didn't do G. I'm stupid. S slash. Space slash. Slash. Slash G. Nope. G. Send. There we go. Boom. Okay, we'll let the formatter handle that later. Send. Did it not do it? Am I in normal mode? I'm in command. I'm in command mode. What did I just do, chat? Dang it. Escape. Yeah, I know. You just forget them sometimes. I didn't hit enter. Dang it. It really doesn't like colons, which is a shame. Okay, we're gonna try again. We're gonna get this. Let's go. First try, boys. What other servers do we want to make sure we have? I guess what we should do instead is we should DAP this. And then let's go 16J. Guys, imagine writing DAP. No, 16, but not capital J, you dummy. I had a dot above it. Do 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 do. Beep beep. Boo doo doo doo. Beep beep. Ba da ba da. Deep deep. Beep boop boop. Ba da bum bum. Boom ba da bum bum. 23J. There we go. Vim dot table. No. Whoops. Okay, nice. Wow. Hey. Fancy meeting you here at the end of the video. Just go ahead, give it a smash. You know, wow, the like button. You can make fun of me in the comments for that one. I don't even care because you made it to the end of this video. Thanks, everybody. See ya.